Welcome to Manifested Publishers. Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Welcome learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi and we are continuing with our topic of discussion, and the topic is acids, bases and indicators. So at this point we are going to learn about properties of acids. And the first property of acids that we shall learn about is the reaction of dilute acids. Reaction of dilute acids with metals. So dilute acids, or the common dilute acids that we have, they include acids such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid. All those acids, they react with metals. So we want to find out what are the products that are formed when these acids react with metals. So you can say that dilute acids react with some metals, not all metals, some metals to form a salt and hydrogen gas. I want to have so we are saying that if you have an acid plus a metal, we'll have a salt plus hydrogen gas. So what we are saying basically is that when dilute acids react with metals, there must be hydrogen gas produced. And that's why you find that when this reaction is taking place, there is effervescence, there is bubbling. There is bubbling that is seen because there is a gas that is being formed. So that bubbling is what you call effervescence. So we'll have an example. So we'll have, for example, here we have a boiling tube. So we have a rubber stopper to prevent the gas from escaping. We have dilute hydrochloric acid. And then we have zinc metal. So this is at the beginning. And we have said that we put a stopper on this boiling point, on this boiling tube, so that the gas does not escape. Then at the end of the experiment, we'll have the following. So you'll find that the zinc metal disappears. Also, there are bubbles. So bubbles are observed when the zinc metal is put into hydrochloric acid. And then at the end here, we'll have a colorless solution. The zinc has disappeared. and then we put this lighted splint, a splint that is burning with a flame. So we are saying that when the zinc metal is put into dilute hydrochloric acid, bubbles are observed. You see the bubbles, and that is because there is a gas being produced, and that gas, as we have seen, is hydrogen gas. Anytime an acid reacts with a metal, we'll get a salt and hydrogen gas. So the gas is hydrogen. The rubber stopper is put to prevent the gas from escaping, so the gas remains here. At the end, we remove the stopper, and then we put a lighted splint, a wooden splint that is burning. We put it at the mouth here, and you will find that this splint will burn with a pop sound. So it will produce a pop sound, and that pop sound is an indication that the gas is hydrogen gas. So from that, we can make observations. One of the observations is that during the reaction, effervescence, which we are calling bubbling, is observed. So that's one of the observations. And number two, the gas produced burns with a pop sound. So we are saying that the gas that is produced burns with a pop sound. We are putting pop in quotes because this sound is pop. When that pop sound is heard, that's an indication there is hydrogen gas that has been produced. That's why we are putting the lighted splint there. So two observations: bubbling, we can see the bubbles during the reaction. The gas that is collected there, we test it with a lighted splint. It produces a pop sound, and that's an indication it's hydrogen gas.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers,